So, Mr. Prasad, our call is being recorded because I am
Okay,
using a special device and I am just trying to check its quality. And
Okay.
our deliberation, since they are mandated and they are for how we can really collaborate, right? So,
Okay, sir.
this will be very useful to the others also, right? So,
Okay,
for
sir.
the sake of this benefit, I would like that this may be published on Crime Free Bharat website also for the benefit
Okay,
of
sir.
others if you are having absolutely no objection about it.
No problem, sir. Please go ahead, sir. As
Okay.
long as it is useful for society, I would be more than happy to contribute.
Great, great, great. Now, my thinking is very simple that there could be four way to collaborate, and the collaboration has to be through the app only, right?
Okay.
An app is a wonderful thing. It is
Correct.
basically, it is the app is permitting to share your profile from profile. Say the moment you join through the app, it will ask for your photograph, right?
Correct.
Then we expect that along with your name, you write four things, whatever your decision, right? One
Yeah.
decision is this that I need time to understand it, right? So
Yeah.
then that is called the member under consideration. It means I need more time to take a final decision.
Okay, sir.
Remain joining as a member under consideration would be serving a great purpose
Yeah.
because 90% people need not to join anybody. So if you feel that we are talking something sensible, at least
Yeah.
that is the part of our thinking process. We have already developed the models for that. We have
Yeah.
conducted 12 Smart India Hackathon for that. And
Okay, sir.
I am having the MOU with 53 odd universities, right? And
Oh, very good. Very
lot
good.
many modules, technical modules has already created. They are just awaiting patching and filling the gap and making it part of the system. So we are in such a
Okay.
very advanced stage,
Okay, sir. Okay,
right?
sir.
Now, say if someone feels कि नहीं साहब ये तो अभी हमें समझना पड़ेगा, so we see okay, very fine. We are having absolutely no objection. You join, take as much time you want, and you join as a member under consideration. I am still considering, right?
Yeah.
The second capacity that my position, my thinking, my circumstances, though I want a crime-free Bharat with 21 objective which will be transforming everything around you, your whole ecosystem would be changed.
Okay.
Your present day experience will remain no more relevant
Okay.
because your law will change, your processes will change because your law and processes has been designed by the Britishers with a dedicated and intended purpose to demean you, to humiliate you, to insult you, to oppress you, to exploit you, and to keep you entangled for the many years.
Okay.
And it is a very professed जो है ना mandate of them. They did not made any secret of that, right? It
Yeah.
is very open policy, very advocated policy that they are going to do that. Our
Okay.
politicians should not have thrust those system on us, right?
Yeah.
So if we agree that we can even have the talks through Bharat, we can have a system in which nobody would be, जो है ना, check would not be honored, and there will be very integrated system that when you don't have the account, this liability will go in your cost settling account. That will be settled over period of the time, because it is not
Correct.
question of your check is being get dishonored. It is affecting
Yeah.
the whole business cycle, creating distrust, disrupting the cycle.
Correct. Correct.
Because
Correct.
because your check if is dishonored, then what about the commitment of the person who received the check? So
Correct.
it will be disrupting whole cycle. Hence, crime
Yeah.
free Bharat says in India किसी की check भी dishonored नहीं होगी.
Okay.
And there will be no tax because the system is creating almost 20 times more revenue. So we will be having more than required revenue for the development. Then why to tax our public?
Correct.
Ultimately, we are taxing for collecting fund. If the model is already giving you the 20 times fund that what you can think of today, then there is just no fun of having tax. So
Correct.
that tax compliance will not be bothering you.
Okay.
This is something very great thing that your your tax compliance. Now the department, those who are having the present responsibility of the tax compliance, what they would be doing? So they are a person with a great experience. They will come to help you to take care why your check got dishonored. What system
Okay.
support would come to you. So in turn, भारत में कोई बैंकरप्ट नहीं होगा, भारत में कोई दिवालिया नहीं.
Okay.
ये सिस्टम इतना पावरफुल है क्योंकि इसमें इतनी ज्यादा रेवेन्यू बांटी जा रही है और लॉ को थोड़ा सा बदल दिया जाएगा कि देयर विल बी टू पार्ट ऑफ द पनिशमेंट. वन इज द कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट एंड अनदर इज द फाइनेंशियल पनिशमेंट. एंड फाइनेंशियल पनिशमेंट विल नॉट बी फिक्स पनिशमेंट. It is the sum total of the money distributed multiplied by 2 which will be collected. Hence,
Okay.
distributing more money itself is an objective. तो हम कह रहे हैं हम फरियादी को रिपोर्ट करने के लिए पैसा देंगे, गवाह को गवाही देने के लिए पैसा देंगे और उसको हमें we need not to really send him to the court of law.
Okay.
तो वो गवाही भी अपने घर की कंफर्ट से दे रहा है और ऊपर से जो है ना उसको 5,000 से 1 करोड़ का रुपए भी मिल जा रहा है. बिकॉज वी वांट टू क्रिएट ए सिस्टम विच जो है क्रिमिनल्स कैन नॉट टॉलरेट इट. तो हमारे एक बंदे ने मुझसे पूछा कि सर इतनी लाइबिलिटी होगी और क्रिमिनल के पास पैसा ही नहीं होगा तो कहां से देगा वो. हमने कहा हमने उसके लिए भी मॉडल क्रिएट किया हो. तो बोले व्हाट इज दैट. हमने कहा दिस लाइबिलिटी विल गो इनटू हिज कॉस्ट सेटलिंग अकाउंट विच ही कैन सेटल ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. राइट.
ओके.
और जैसे आपकी प्रॉपर्टी जो है आगे जाके जो है आपके बच्चों को मिलती है ऐसी लाइबिलिटी भी जाएगी. ऐसा कानून बना दिया जाएगा. राइट. And real time basis पे that message will be going, hey, your father has created the liability of the 50 crore. Though I presume that he will be settling this liability during his lifetime. If he couldn't do it, it will be passing on to you.
Okay.
अब आप ये सोचिए कि आपके ऊपर 500 करोड़ की लाइबिलिटी हो गई और आपके बच्चों को रियल टाइम बेसिस पे आएगा. आपके बच्चे आपके पास पहुंचेंगे कि नहीं पूछेंगे, पापा मुझे कोई संपत्ति मत दो लेकिन लाइबिलिटी ट्रांसफर ना करो.
Correct.
What kind of the pressure it would be creating on the parents?
Yeah.
Nobody would afford any negative behavior.
Okay.
इसका इतना पावरफुल जो है एग्रो मॉडल है, इतना पावरफुल आयुष मॉडल है. किसानों की आमदनी 5 गुना बढ़ जाएगी. उन्होंने कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. हम उन्हें कोई ज्ञान नहीं देंगे. हम डायरेक्ट जो ट्रेनिंग देना है वो वर्कर्स को देंगे, टूल्स बनाएंगे, टेक्नोलॉजी बनाएंगे विदाउट बॉदरिंग किसान. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि हर कोई जाके किसान को टॉर्चर करता है. ना बेचारे को समझ है, ना उसके पास फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस है टू डू इट. तो हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हम उसके खेतों पे करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करेंगे, उससे 5 पैसे नहीं मांगेंगे. और ओवर द पीरियड दैट विल बी सेटल्ड थ्रू द कॉस्ट सेटलिंग अकाउंट. सो ही विल बी गेटिंग 5 times without spending even single penny on the labors or on the trees or on the seed, because everything will be made available to him. Payment will be made by the crime free Bharat agro model and this cost will be settled over period of time. और वो एक पूरा पावरफुल मॉडल बनाया गया है. यू सी द क्राइम फ्री भारत के ऊपर हमारे ढेर सारे वीडियोज है. यू कैन रियली गो थ्रू देम. इट गिव्स अ ग्रेट डिटेल्स. आप जो है ना, इट इज हैविंग मोर देन 1200 ऑड वीडियोज. इट सेज दैट कि ऐप बेस्ड इलेक्शन होगा और आज की तुलना में वो 1000 टाइम ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा और हम में से कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाएगा कि वो वोट ना दे, क्योंकि सिस्टम आपको इतनी बार रिमाइंड करेगा. देन यदि आप फाइनली वोट नहीं देंगे तो वो एक सर्टिफिकेट क्रिएट करेगा कि I reminded you in many time, you did not bother to fulfill your constitutional obligation. Now your identity is being tagged everywhere. So whatever you will be doing, you have to pay 10% more. तो आप यदि स्कूल में जाएंगे तो आपके बच्चे की फीस 10% ज्यादा लगेगी. यदि आप बस से जा रहे हैं तो 10% किराया ज्यादा लगेगा. एरोप्लेन में 10% किराया ज्यादा लगेगा. होटल में ठहरोगे 10%. मतलब एवरीवेयर यू हैव टू पे 10% मोर. So you will be reminded every day that you have failed to do a constitutional responsibility, and this tagging will continue till the next election. I guarantee अगले इलेक्शन में आप फर्स्ट 24 आवर में अपना वोट दे दोगे. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
So, and then it will be very informed voting. I really request you if you can go on Crime Free Bharat and search for expenditure free election arrangement. It's a mind-boggling concept, and it says कि यदि आप एक्सपेंडिचर कर दोगे तो वो कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस होगा, आप जेल चले जाएंगे.
In fact, I should tell to my friend J.D. Lakshmanarayana. You know J.D. Lakshmanarayana, right? IPS officer. I think he should be your junior batch or same batch. I don't know. He retired as Joint Commissioner Maharashtra. You know CBI, no? He was with CBI. So he is planning to stand for elections and without spending even money and even a penny, and he wants to become MP of Visakhapatnam.
I am saying that if they join us, his dream will come true without spending a single penny, and without.
I will connect J.D. Lakshmanarayana sir with you, sir. You're from which batch, sir?
I am from 1984 batch. Here, Mr. M.N. Reddy Kishore Chandra is my batchmate in Karnataka.
In Hyderabad, sir? In Telangana में?
In तेलंगाना में हमारे एक तो सुदीप लखटकिया हमारे बैचमेट है, और एक जो है हमारे MS NS Rao, who has been DGP in Andhra Pradesh. He was the first DGP of the separated state of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
So Sudeep Laktakia was in Telangana cadre, or NS Rao was in basically what we can say in Andhra Pradesh. And
both should be Andhra cadre only. Maybe in the state.
They were in Andhra Pradesh cadre before bifurcation.
Okay.
After bifurcation,
you are now based out of Bhopal, sir?
I am based out at Bhopal. Okay. So, Mr. Prasad, I will really greatly appreciate if you can make up your mind in what way you would like to collaborate. So we are having
very clear, sir. Let me explain you what I'm doing now.
Okay.
I'm working closely with the farmers.
Okay.
And I'm closely working with the medical fraternity.
Okay.
So what we are trying to understand is that to improve the earnings of these farmers, because farmer doesn't have access to a lot of information of various schemes, both at the central level and also international level and the national level. Say, for example, there is one scheme called ATMA, ATMA,
okay.
Agriculture Technology Management Act.
Okay.
But how many farmers will know that there is a scheme like ATMA from central government, Ministry of Agriculture, and there is a person called Farmer Friend in every village.
Okay.
And this person will be having access to a lot of information at the top level and the drill down to the grassroots level and reaching all these farmers and the rural communities.
Okay.
That information is not there. Okay. That is one area which we are trying to work, sir. Second area is that there are a lot of course, coming to the policing. Maybe you need to understand how it will help. Say, for example, there are so many migration workers, and who are, say, for example, if you talk about Karnataka, Hyderabad, we have close to around 1,000 odd slums in the city itself. And many migration workers are working, and we need to have their police check whenever they are getting into employment. And so how we can help these people?
May I make a request to you?
Sir.
Why don't you go and look at the crime-free Bharat agro model, and then how we can collaborate? Because what we say कि हम फार्मर को एजुकेट नहीं करेंगे, हम जो है लेबर को एजुकेट करेंगे, उसके लिए टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करेंगे, उसको जो बेस्ट सीड अपने आप पहुंच जाएगा, और उसका भुगतान भी फार्मर से नहीं मांगेंगे. उसका भुगतान जो है विल कम फ्रॉम द कॉस्ट सेटलिंग अकाउंट, और उसको 1 MSP जैसे ही उसके खेत से चीज बाहर निकलेगी, ही विल ऑटोमेटिकली रिसीव 1 MSP or 1 MSP with the zero expenditure. It means the income of the farmer will go 5 times.
No, that I am quite interested, sir. Because yesterday I was with one collector in one district in Telangana, Bhupalpalli, very tribal area. Close to around 4.5 lakh population in that particular district, and around 3 lakh are farmers only. So the collector was asking me how we can increase the earnings of these farmers. And they're traditionally doing paddy, cotton, maize and all, and chilies also to some extent. And they are now getting into as per the National Mission for Edible Oils, they are getting into oil palm. So I was just trying to intervene. I have a mobile agri support services, a truck-mounted mobile office where I have the soil testing and water testing, intercrop advisory services, and market linkage for their produce, so that the farmers will get more income. So this is because the middleman is eating away. So the crime is happening at the middleman. But I don't want to avoid the middleman also, but I just want to understand who are all the players in the entire supply chain, so that they will get their money. But end of the day, when the customer is getting a good produce, he will pay a premium, and that premium money a portion of it should go to the farmer. That is not happening.
It is basically the model which we are suggesting. It is a very different model. I will really share few of my videos on crime-free Bharat agro model, and I think we can have the deliberation once you go through it, because
definitely, sir, definitely. In fact, Sarji, I am closely working with one Mr. J.C.S. Rao. Actually, he is a IFS Indian Forest Services officer of Madhya Pradesh cadre only, which eventually now he is in Chhattisgarh. After the state bifurcation, he got moved to Chhattisgarh. He got, after superannuation, he got 3 years extension, sir. He's still the chief executive officer of Chhattisgarh State Board of Medicinal Plants.
Okay.
So on intercrop and helping these farmers, tribal, how they can get more income. And if at all, if your crime-free Bharat agro model can really help these farmers, I can straight away implement close to around 70,000 farmers in Telangana.
Oh, great. So I will really request you that we will have certain deliberations. And
definitely, sir. Sir, एक बार आप भी आइए सर इधर. In fact, the former NABARD
यदि आप मुझे इनवाइट करेंगे तो मैं जरूर आऊंगा.
Sir ji, I will invite you. You please come. In fact, the former NABARD chairman, Dr. Govindraju Simpala, is now my partner also in my initiative with this agriculture-related thing. And I would be more than happy if you can come, understand, and if we can implement that crime-free Bharat agro model and help the farmers and the rural communities, it will become a role model for the entire country, sir.
It is a very powerful model, and I think I will be more than happy to really implement there, because it requires the full implementation of the model, and it cannot be implemented unless it is supported by someone. So either the crime-free Bharat should itself will become the government, or the present government must support it.
सर हम क्या करेंगे सर, मैं अभी प्रपोज कर रहा हूँ ये गवर्नमेंट सी देयर आर 177 एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एज पर नीति आयोग, ठीक है ना सर. तेलंगाना में 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आइडेंटिफाई किया हुआ सर. एक तो कुत्तगुड़म है, दूसरा तो भूपालपल्ली और तीसरा आसिफाबाद. ये तीनों डिस्ट्रिक्ट बहुत बैकवर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वेयर ट्राइबल सिंगर. देयर इज फंड अवेलेबल इन नीति आयोग फॉर दिस एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. You being a retired IPS officer and really working on this crime-free Bharat, and if this can really lead in systemizing and putting certain processes where the farmers can get a better income, increasing income, I think I guarantee
5 times earning.
सर जी अभी पायलट प्रोजेक्ट में शुरू कर रहा हूँ सर. May 1 से मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तो चालू हो जाएगा. ये तीनों डिस्ट्रिक्ट में नाबार्ड ने फंड किया है मेरे थोड़ा, जो कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग कर रहा हूँ. तो इसके साथ साथ आपका जो मॉड्यूल है वो भी इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे, पीओसी निकालेंगे 2 विलेजेस 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. और हम क्या करेंगे, एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पूरा एक मॉड्यूल बनाएंगे सर. फंड तो है सर नीति आयोग से.
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया.
जरूर करेंगे सर. अगर किसान का भलाई होगा तो हमारा मोबाइल यूनिट जो मैंने बोला आपको ट्रक पे माउंटेड है, उसका नाम भी किसान समृद्धि रथ है. तो जो हम किसी मॉड्यूल और किसी इंटरवेंशन में किसान को कुछ भी समृद्धि करेंगे तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव फुलफिल हो जाएगा सर जी.
आप सरकार से कहिए मुझे प्रिंसिपल एडवाइजर बना लें, मैं गारंटी लेता हूं कि मैं 5 गुना इनकम कर दूंगा.
सर हम जाएंगे, हम दिल्ली जाएंगे, इफको से मिलवाएंगे, मैं मनसुख मांडिया से मिलवाएगा. हम नैनो यूरिया प्रमोट कर रहे हैं और ये फार्मर्स को टेली एडवाइजरी, वीडियो एडवाइजरी कर रहे हैं. So you will be very happy if you understand what kind of initiatives I'm doing. In fact, recently I was in Malaysia, I was in Indonesia, I was in Egypt recently, and in fact, these countries are also planning to adopt my model, sir जी.
तो मिस्टर प्रसाद, मैं आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कि क्राइम फ्री भारत की हमने जो लिंक शेयर की है ग्रुप में, उसको आप देख के उसमें क्राइम फ्री एग्रो मॉडल स्टडी करके वी कैन हैव सम डिस्कशन इन ए 2 or 3 days. And meanwhile, I request you to join Crime Free Bharat through the to collaborate. And whatever that there are 4 capacities, whatever capacity you feel like, you can join member under consideration, you can join pledged member, you can join as a pledged Chandragupta, you can join as a Chanak also.
ठीक है सर.
I personally,
sir, very simple, sir.
I personally,
very simple,
just a
sir.
minute. I
With
personally,
our model, with our model, how we can increase the earnings of a farmer. A single line.
मैं यही कह रहा हूँ कि फार्मर फील्ड में you will become a Chanak with me, right? So you will be Chanak come Chandragupta. Okay. So I think with this I am receiving a call from a news channel because they wanted to really talk to me.
Please.
So
Carry on, sir.
if you permit, I would like to.
मेरे लिए शुक्रिया सर. तो हम डिस्कस करेंगे सर. मैं वीडियो देखूंगा और आपको मैं बोलूंगा, मेरा मॉडल भी आपको व्हाट्सएप करूंगा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ.
बिल्कुल, हम दोनों लोग मिलके जो है how we can really synchronize and make it happen.
ठीक है सर जी.
So you are working on the micro side, I am working on the macro model, and those will be finished. And हम उसमें किसानों को बिल्कुल भी दिक्कत नहीं देंगे. सीड हमको पहुंचाना है हमें, और हम जो है केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर को खत्म कर देंगे.
बढ़िया सर.
क्योंकि केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर यदि हमने रिमूव नहीं किया, यदि हमने हार्मोन्स रिमूव नहीं किए, यदि हमने नकली दूध रिमूव नहीं किया.
बात करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. आप अभी आपको वो
मिस्टर प्रसाद,
2-3 दिन में हम फिर बात करेंगे सर जी.
ठीक है. मुझे लेट मी अटेंड दैट न्यूज चैनल, राइट?
ठीक है.
ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.
थैंक यू.